guys how I got my frontal look like this, how I like put it on and how I do the baby hairs and all that, because a lot of people have been coming from my last frontal video and have been telling me to make another detailed one. I'm like, y'all want to see another one? Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. This video is also brought to you by Wigs. They sent me this Brazilian bodyweight wig, and basically why it's wet like this, I washed it and conditioned it, and it's like, I'm letting it air dry. I'm going to tell you guys everything that you need to put on your frontal. So you're going to need some Got To Be Glue gel. I like to use the black one. A lot of people use the yellow one, but this is the one that works for me. Personally, the yellow one doesn't work for me like at all. You're gonna need a rat tail comb to press the lace down. You're gonna need a toothbrush to do the baby hairs if you're into doing baby hairs. You're gonna need your foundation shade. This is a powder, and a brush. I need some of these. I don't know what they're called, but they're handy dandy. Alligator clips? Alligator clips, yeah. You're gonna need some gel. You're also gonna need some braiding skills, girl. You gotta know how to cornrow your hair. I don't know how to do that, so I just do whatever. But if you know how to cornrow, go you. That's even better, because if you do know how to cornrow, your wig is gonna be flatter. If you don't know how to cornrow though, you can like, I think putting your hair in a sleek bun and putting the wig cap over would work. I don't know. I've tried that before and it worked pretty well, but I don't know. It all depends on you and your hair and all that stuff. Now let's get on into my hair. Is braided under this cap. I suck at braiding, so I'm not even gonna like try to do a tutorial on braiding, but it's like cornrow to the best of my ability. You take your cap and you want to take some foundation, and I just put it all over the cap. You want to do the same thing to the wig and put powder on this lace part. Now I'm just adjusting the straps. I like to make the straps on my wig pretty tight so that they stay like, the wig stays secure on my head. You can tighten them to as tight as you like it. I like to put it all the way over to the opposite side. Now I'm adjusting the wig on my head, seeing where I want to place it, and I like to bring my wig a little bit in front of my wig cap to make my forehead look smaller, because I have a fat head. My head is so big, so I like to bring my wig a little bit farther up so my forehead looks smaller. That's just me. Okay, so you're going to take some Got To Be Glue gel, and the first layer you want to do, you want to make sure that it's a pretty thin layer, because you're going to dry this layer completely, and then you're going to go back in with the second layer, but you want to make sure that this layer is pretty thin for the most part. And you want to put that around the perimeter of your head, in front of your edges. For the hotel I was staying in, didn't have a freaking blow dryer, so I had to use my hands, and that took me about 15 minutes to get it completely dry. If you do have a blow dryer, I suggest using it and using the cool setting on it and blow drying your gel for about 5 to 7 minutes. That should be good enough. Okay, so you know your gel is ready for the second layer when it's dry completely. That part of my head was a little bit still kind of wet and tacky, but it's okay. The rest of the gel was dry, so that's how I know it was time to go in with the second layer. In the second layer, you want to make sure that the second layer is much thicker than the first layer, because that's the layer you're going to be using to put your wig on, if that makes any sense. So make sure you put a little bit more gel on the second layer. So once you feel like it's ready to be put on, take your wig and you want to put on the front part first. So like right there, you want to put that on first. Then you want to put down the sides, right side or left side, whichever you prefer, it doesn't really matter. And then you want to put down the other side. And if you put enough gel down, it should just stay without any problems. It shouldn't move. Like, so the way I do mine is I basically do how I would do my real baby hairs, like on my real hair. I just smooth it back like this first, This makes it look so natural. Smoothing the hair back like this. Now your wig might kind of, oh yeah, okay. Also, you can push it down with the rat tail comb. That might make it stand a little bit better. But now, taking your toothbrush, glue, and brushing it back, the hairs. If you have a specific way you like to do your baby hairs, then go ahead and do that. But this is the way I like to do mine. It just makes it look like the most natural. That is my scalp. Like, convince yourself that this is a part of my head. This is growing out of my scalp, ladies. Scarf or bandana, but I don't wrap it on my head. I just press it down, like the lace down. And I can't find my bandana, so I'm gonna be ratchet with it. I'm gonna use a t-shirt, and I twist whatever I have. In this case, I have a t-shirt, and I just press down on the lace to make sure. It's basically doing the same thing a bandana or a scarf would do if you wrapped it around. And if you want to wrap the scarf around the baby hairs, go ahead and do that. I just don't like doing that. But this totally works. Like, basically the same, honestly. Oh, look at the frontal. It looks really good. That's great. Go Najja. Go me. Bitch, that's a scalp, period. Quit playing with me. No, play it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. For my younger viewers and my girls in high school, I will be starting my back to school series next week. Maybe at the end of this week, actually. Whatever you want. I need to know when you'll start school so I can like plan this stuff out, because I know a lot of you guys go back on like August 1st, and if you go back earlier, I want to like give you like a lookbook, hair ideas, makeup ideas, so you are like prepared for the first day of school. I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye.